Have you ever opened your phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly an hour is gone? You didn't plan to watch those videos, read those posts, or scroll that far. Something in the background kept feeding you exactly what would keep you there. That something is an algorithm. Invisible lines of code that quietly decide what you see, what you don't see, and how long you stay. Today, algorithms don't just recommend content. They shape attention, opinions, habits, and, step by step, your life. In this video, you'll see how these systems actually work, where they already control your daily choices, and what you can do to protect your time and your mind. Let's start simple. An algorithm is just a set of rules that tells a computer what to do with information. Think of it as a recipe. If this happens, then do that. On your favorite platforms, the algorithm's job is usually clear. Keep you watching as long as possible. Show you ads that you're likely to click. Predict what will keep you engaged, and then feed you more of it. To do this, platforms collect data about you. What you click, how long you watch, what you skip, what you search for, even how fast you scroll. All of this becomes input for the algorithm, which then decides. This video, not that one. This post, not the other. This ad right now. You never see this decision process. You only see the final result, a perfectly tailored feed that feels natural, but is anything but random. The first example is your social media feed. You follow hundreds of people, pages, and channels, but you only see a tiny fraction of them. Why? Because the algorithm ranks everything and chooses what to show you first. It tests content on you like an experiment. If you stop scrolling, if you hover, if you like, comment, or share, that's a signal. Show more like this. If you scroll past something instantly, that's a negative signal. Show less of this. Over time, the algorithm learns patterns about you. What topics make you stay? What emotions keep you hooked? Anger, fear, outrage, or excitement? What kind of creators you trust, or think you trust? Remember, the algorithm is not trying to show you what is true, balanced, or healthy. Its main goal is to keep you on the platform. If a bit of drama, controversy, or extreme content does that, it has no moral problem using it. When algorithms keep feeding you more of what you already engage with, something strange happens. Your digital world slowly becomes a mirror of your existing beliefs and interests. Click on a few videos about a conspiracy theory, and you may start seeing more creators who confirm it. Interact with one political side, and your feed becomes full of that side's voices, and almost none from the other side. You start living inside what many call a filter bubble. Inside this bubble, it can feel like everyone thinks like you. You stop seeing the full picture or alternative views that could challenge you. This is how algorithms can quietly polarize societies. Not by forcing beliefs onto people, but by amplifying what they already lean toward, over and over again. The result is a world where two people in the same city, on the same platform, can live in completely different realities. But algorithms don't just shape what you think. They also influence how you spend money. Online stores use recommendation algorithms to decide which products to show you first. Customers, like you, also bought. It is not just a helpful suggestion, it's a targeted nudge based on patterns from millions of shoppers. Pricing can also be dynamic. The price you see for a ticket, a hotel, or a product can depend on your location, your browsing history, the device you use, even whether you seem. For companies, this is smart optimization. For you, it means you might pay more or less than another person for the exact same thing. simply because an algorithm decided you would. Even ads follow you across sites. You search for something once and suddenly it appears everywhere. Behind the scenes, ad algorithms run auctions in milliseconds to decide which ad to show you at exactly which moment. Algorithms also filter opportunities that can change your life. Many companies now use automated systems to sort job applications. Before any human sees your CV, an algorithm might reject or approve it based on keywords, formatting, or estimated fit. If the system is biased or simply badly designed, you may never even get a chance, and you will never know why. News and search results are algorithmically ranked as well. What appears on the first page feels important and relevant, but that ranking is still a choice made by code. This code can prioritize what's popular and engaging over what's accurate or nuanced. In all these areas, jobs, news, recommendations, algorithms become quiet gatekeepers of information and opportunity. They don't just reflect the world, they actively shape who sees what and when. How do we get here? Three forces came together: data, computing power, and business models based on attention. First, there is more data about human behavior than ever before. Every click, view, and swipe gets recorded somewhere. Second, modern machine learning models can process this data at massive scale and find patterns no human could see. Third, many platforms make money by keeping you engaged and selling your attention to advertisers. Put these together and the logic becomes simple. The better the algorithm predicts and influences your behavior, the more money the platform makes. That's why these systems keep getting more advanced, more personalized, and more deeply integrated into your daily life. Completely escaping algorithms is almost impossible. They are part of the modern world. But you can reduce their control and use them more on your own terms. Here are a few practical steps. Turn off autoplay on video platforms to stop endless chains of recommendations. Regularly clear your watch and search history to reset parts of the recommendation engine. Don't get your news only from one feed. Actively seek different sources and perspectives. Take a pause before clicking on outrageous content. Ask, is this really worth my attention? Most importantly, stay conscious. The simple act of noticing that you are being nudged already gives you more power. Algorithms are not evil or magical. They are tools designed by humans, optimized for specific goals. The question is, do those goals match the life you want to live? If you found this breakdown helpful and want to understand more invisible systems that shape our world, from money and inflation to AI and elections, consider subscribing. There's a lot more about the modern world to explain.